Phillips-Van Heusen is a retail wholesale organization. All right, we are a company that is almost 100 years old. We're in the apparel business. All right, about 40% of our business is retail, 60% is wholesale. Our main goal when we looked at allocation and size scaling was back in 2003. We knew we needed to change the way that we were, basically the planning system we were using at that time and our allocation system. And since we were working with JDA in a planning environment, we thought that that would be, number one, our best fit. All right, and once we actually saw the Arthur allocation package, all right, we knew that was also a really good fit for our divisions. And we acquired it in 2003 and had it up and running within a year. The benefits that we achieved as far as from the implementation of Arthur allocation, all right, in the first year alone was absolutely tremendous. We improved in-stock rates by 8 to 10%. All right, we saw margins in a number of our main basic stock replenishment categories go up dramatically, and it just put us in a much better position to service our customer. I think when we initially went to implement allocation, we had set up on our first initial design phases what were going to be measures of success. And one of the measures of success we had at that time was we found that during the course of daily operations, an allocator was spending 80% of their week allocating merchandise and 20% reviewing and analyzing the business. Since the implementation of allocation, we've taken that number, and I don't want to say almost turned it around, but it's about 30 to 35% of their time is devoted to allocating merchandise, and the other 65% to analyze the business and understand where those trends are and where they need to work. One of the main benefits that we saw as we moved off of an older method of allocation onto JDA's Arthur allocation, we found that the implementation and being able to truly be able to analyze and work at a size level, which was something we were missing prior to that, really helped us to improve our in-stock rates. All right, improve our basic assortments in the stores, that we at least tailored the assortment to the store, and we've seen tremendous results with it. And our Van Heusen division, in its first full year of running allocation, in its men's dress shirt categories, saw in-stock rates increase from 92% to 98%. All right, and across two categories, men's casual slacks and also dress shirts, we saw a gross margin lift of $1.4 million. In a multi-channel environment, which PVH is, both wholesale, retail, and also e-com, what we've been able to do, utilizing really any of it, whether it be our planning or allocation products, we've been able to take those products, fit them to the need of the business, whether we're allocating strictly to an e-commerce site, whether it's the procurement of merchandise from our wholesale end, but we worked through it, and it's been a pleasure versus prior experience.